So I have a saltwater tank and a freshwater tank. I need a temperature meter for my saltwater tank with the alarm, and I needed a air bubble system for my freshwater tank. When I was looking for that in Amazon, I came across this product, and it has a temperature meter with alarm system. Like you can go high, you can set a high and low, and when it exceeds that level it will beep. That's cool. And this has air bubble system also, so I can use the temperature for the saltwater tank, and then I can use the air bubbles for my freshwater tank, so it solves both my purpose. And the coolest thing in this is battery operated. You can keep it connected all the time, but if you are traveling or if you need oxygen for your fish on the way traveling, you can use this. That's cool. So the item included in this package is the device itself, and plug with 3 ports, a cable for it, and it has 2 stones, 2 tube, and I think this is a valve. And it had 2 tubes with 5 feet long, each is 5 feet long, and it had a manual and a screwdriver in it. Set up it here nearby, and it is very easy to set up. So you can see the air bubbles are coming. So I did set up in intermediate. That means it will come for 10 seconds, the air bubble will come for 10 seconds, and it will go off after 10 seconds and stay for 10 seconds, I believe. So you can set that with this button. Holding this button for a short amount of time will set continuous or intermediate, and without pressing anything you can just go ahead and increase the flow of your air with plus and minus. And to set your high and low alarm for your temperature, which I did set up here, you can see for the other tank. So press T for a short amount of duration. This will start blinking. I'll show you. See that? Now you can go and set your high and low. So once you are done with the high, go with the low, and you can change this if you want to, like this. And once you are done, press T again, it will set that. And even I did test the alarm. Let's see. That is Celsius and temperature in Fahrenheit. Short hold on the T. Let's reduce and see how the alarm sounds in this. Let's go below 70. See that? That's the alarm. So let's increase. That alarm should stop. So let me put it in 83 or 84 for the high settings. So it is vibrating since it is touching air. Otherwise there is no noise. You can hear it's very mild noise. It's really